placement. And we're gonna need condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and precision glue gels. So it's one coat, not too thick, not too thin. If too thick is going to flood your crystal, and too thin, can you get me the kit though? If too thin is going to, too thick is going to flood your crystal. Too thin is going to not adhere your crystal properly. So I'm gonna using a nap. Again, if you're first time using it, you feel like, oh my god, my crystal coming off, or my crystal is just so flooding, it means that you might add a little bit too much or too little of the condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat. Give it a couple try, and then you will see you can get hang of it. I'm gonna get this kit. And I'm gonna add some on. And no wipe top coat. Even those, if you don't know any ideas, like you don't know what to do, this kit will guide you exactly what you need to do, because it has centerpiece. I don't know how, so it had the metal frame. So then you can definitely never go wrong with this. Oh my god, this one is so cute. The big heart frame. I see there's a lot of big heart frame. I'm loving it. All right. So I'm gonna just like give it a really quick one right there. I'm just doing an angle. And then it's up to you. You want to do a red, you can do a red. You can do a pink. You can do a blue. You can do anything. It doesn't have to be, let's see. I can do this one. And oh my god, it's so cute. I'm gonna get this head frame. Oh, I like it. I found something from this. Like that. And then we add some beads on. And then pretty much you are good to go. You know what? It's just in case you want some crystal on, but if you don't want, you can absolutely leave it alone. Top coat, cure for 60 seconds, and then you are good to go. But if you want some crystal, or your clients love to get some crystal on, so they just want to get something like some crystal. I'm gonna put the little right here for the butterflies. Let me see if unless I have some frame that I'm gonna do it for the butterflies, like this butterflies. Oh my god, it's so cute. Let me see. I just saw the star. I just saw the drop right there. No, not this one. Over here. Maybe, but it might be too big. You can just leave it like right there. How about that? Okay. You can add, I mean, you'll never go wrong with this. You can add more if you needed it. You can stop right there, or you can add more. You can continue with it. It's just up to you. I just love it look like this, and then we are going to cure this beauty for 60 seconds.